Hello and welcome to My Low Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. My family loves anything that is ranch flavored, whether it's ranch flavored salad dressing or ranch flavored dip or just anything you can put ranch flavoring on. And so one of the things I like to do is go ahead and make our own ranch dip and ranch flavorings so that we can go ahead and control what additives are in our food. We don't have some wild and crazy chemicals in our food or things we can't pronounce because we like to make it from scratch. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to make the basic ranch powder. And from that ranch powder, you can go ahead and sprinkle that on your different foods for seasonings and flavor. And you can also use that ranch powder to go ahead and make ranch dressing and ranch dip, both of which I'll also show you how to make on this video today. Our ingredients include a half cup of dry buttermilk powder, 2 tablespoons of dried parsley, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of chopped onions, 2 teaspoons of dried chives, 1 teaspoon of dried celery flakes, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon of dry dill weed, half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of white pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first we're going to start off with our buttermilk. And this is a really good buttermilk with a really great flavor, but you want to be careful that when you buy the buttermilk that you know if the buttermilk has to be refrigerated or not. This particular brand, you do need to refrigerate after you open, so just be aware of that when you do go ahead and purchase the buttermilk. Okay, so first we'll start off adding our buttermilk to our bowl here. Parsley flakes. Onion powder, chopped onions, chives, celery flakes, garlic powder, dill weed, paprika, this is white pepper, and finally salt. All right, let's go ahead and just mix it all up together. Okay, there's our base seasoning, and from this we can go ahead and create ranch dressing and ranch dip. And then you can just go ahead and take this powder and add it on to all sorts of foods for different flavorings. I've added it to chicken before. I've added it to my chicken wings. I do some baked chickpeas and add it to my chickpeas with a little bit of olive oil to make it stick to the chickpeas. It really adds a whole wonderful flavor of ranch to anything you want to go ahead and add it to. And it's really simple to go ahead and do that. Okay, now that's all mixed up. And what we can do is go ahead and take that, and we're going to go ahead and put it in a little bottle here that we can go ahead and store it in. And so I'll move that here. Now just go ahead and pour that in. There we go, and there is our ranch mix. Okay, let's go ahead and start making our ranch dressing first. And to make our ranch dressing, we're going to take a half cup of mayonnaise. I like to use Hellmann's brand mayonnaise. And so we'll take that half cup of mayonnaise and go ahead and add it to our bowl. Oof, got a little bit too much there. There we go. Okay. Half cup of mayonnaise. And we're going to go ahead and add a half cup of sour cream to that. So let's go ahead and get that going. Okay. We'll add 3/4 of a cup of milk. So I have a half a cup here and fill it halfway up again just to get to my 3/4. Quick little estimate there. Okay, now we'll go ahead and add our 3 tablespoons of our ranch seasoning mix. And we can simply just take a whisk and mix everything all together here, being careful not to spill it. Okay, there we go. Done with our ranch dressing. Okay, there we go. Start with our Daisy sour cream again. And we're going to add a half cup of that sour cream. Bring back my Hellmann's mayonnaise. Again, another half cup there. Perfect. Add in 2 tablespoons of the ranch mix. And we'll go ahead and stir that all together. Now this is the basic recipe, so as I said, if it's too thick for you, you can dilute it if you like to have a thinner dip, or if you like to have a dip that's really rich tasting and has a really full-bodied ranch taste, you can go ahead and add more of the ranch seasoning to it. But as you can tell, it has lots of ranch ingredients, so you can see all the particles of the different seasoning in there, so that's going to make a really nice, great, full-tasting dip. And there we go. Now that we're going to go ahead and put in the refrigerator again for up to 30 minutes, and then we can go ahead and serve that with chips or vegetables and have it as a nice dip. Thanks for joining us on My Low Country Living today as we made ranch dressing, ranch dip, and ranch powder. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can continue to see our other great videos. Thanks.